Hello. You're wanting to grow a peach tree for your backyard? Several factors are going to enter into the case. This is Richard Skinner, owner of Hawkins Corner Nursery in Plant City, Florida. Yes, we do grow peach trees in Florida. The University of Florida has provided us with what we call low chill fruit trees, peach trees, and those are the ones that doesn't take many hours of temperature in the 40s and 30s to take it through dormancy, and consequently we would get bloom and fruit. Now, the different areas of the country are going to have different chill hour requirements. So you want to make sure when you plant your peach tree that you've got one that is proper for your area of the country and the number of chill hours. If the nursery doesn't know how many chill hours a tree takes, I would advise to not buy there. Go somewhere where they can tell you how many chill hours this peach tree needs, and you can determine ahead of time how many chill hours on an average that you get in your particular climate zone. Now, when you plant your peach tree, very important, always, never plant the peach tree with dirt way up on the stalk or the trunk of the tree. You want to barely cover your top root. That's the first and most important thing. Second most important thing is you don't want to keep that tree with wet feet from now on. Now, it's good to mud it in, water it in real good when you plant it, but you don't want that tree to be standing in soupy, wet soil. Cliche that we have is peach trees don't like wet feet, and it's very important here in Florida and Georgia. When you get into some of the areas of the mountainous or hilly country, it's not as important because you get better drainage. But in the flatlands, you don't get as good a drainage, so you want to make sure those peach trees don't have wet feet. The other thing is that most often your peach tree is going to be grafted. So any growth that comes out right below the graft line, and you need to determine where the graft line is, it's usually about 3 to 4 inches above the base of the tree. Any growth that comes out down there, flick it off with your finger quickly before it gets established, because otherwise it'll suck all of the energy, because that is your root stock. This is Richard Skinner coming to you from Plant City, Florida, Hawkins Corner Nursery, on how to grow your peach tree.